How to change app icons on Android. So, you can directly do this inside your settings, or basically the first step. You can go ahead and search for the word icon itself, and you will get pretty much the options that you have. So, first is the icons directly over here. So what you can do here is to just pretty much decrease the sizes of your icon and the background colors for compatible icons. Let's say you want blue, green. So pretty much depends on the icons that you chose, and it will change that specific icon. If you want a higher variety, of course, you can go directly to the themes. So go ahead to personalization over here and scroll down until you find the themes option, which should lead you to lots of options you can go ahead and choose from. So in your themes, as you can see, you can go ahead and choose whichever, like this one over here. As you can see, the icons are very different. There's pink stuff, there's cute stuff, there's lots of other options you can go for. Pretty much depends on you. You can go ahead to the more section. Some of these are paid, some of these are free, but you can go ahead and scroll and just go ahead and explore, of course. Pretty much depends on you. But once you found your theme that you want, or the one with icons that you want, then you can just go ahead and choose that one. Then press and apply. So you can download that first, actually. And once you've downloaded that, you can basically just apply it to your phone. But that's pretty much how you change app icons on Android. Lots of options you can choose from, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.